let's go for a ride. You smell that? That's the smells of nature. It's an acquired taste. Well, not really a taste. It's acquired smell. Anyway, I like it. You can see them or hear them. That's what those are. They're beautiful birds. There comes Dusty. I want you to see Dusty. Dusty is a filly who belongs. Dusty is my youngest son's horse. Actually, she belongs to my friend David, but he says that Dusty belongs to Garrett and that Babe, the sorrel filly, belongs to my other son, Logan. She came up to visit because she's very friendly. Let's see if she follows us. I bet she does. Dusty. See, right out here we got some sandhill cranes. They've been in Florida longer than people have. And the neat thing about sandhill cranes, one of the neat things, is that you always see them in pairs. Because once they mate, they stay together for life. Let's see if we can see them a little better. Normally, with this loud vehicle, they'd fly off. And as I said, it's overcast, so the light's not too good. But there are two sandhill cranes walking away from us. And if you ever hear them call in the morning or in the evening, it's a beautiful sound. It's just a beautiful sound. And they're beautiful to watch, too. Here we go. Hang on, got a gate to go through, and we'll go visit some of the new calves. I'm a little new to this using the video camera, so I hope that you're patient with me. With experience, normally I get better at stuff. So this is new, but things will get better. Hang in there. have a feeling that these cows and calves, when they see this mule come up, they're gonna come running. The reason is that normally we have bags of pellets in the back and we feed them. So they know to associate food with the mule. Now here are some babies. And the neat thing is that we see what we see often is that oftentimes several of the babies are left with what we call a babysitter. And that's one or two cows that kind of stays around and the calves stay with them while the rest of the mamas go off and forage or do their thing. I don't know if you can see in the distance we have another hay barn, and the cows are over there at the hay ring eating while several of the calves are over here with the two sitters. Hard to see the Angus and the Brangus. They're black. Some of them have white faces, but they're off in the distance there. And the Herefords and some of the crossbred Bracefords. I want to say hello. Actually, what they're saying is, give me some pellets. But as you can see, the mamas are here. Some of the babies are over here. Now they can certainly get together. There's an open gate right at the end of this fence. But there's some of the Florida cows. Head back to the barn, and I will see you again soon.